Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you doing, my dear student grade 6? Today we are going to explain the second term in science. And we have 4 units. Unit 1, force and motion. Unit 2, electric energy. Unit 3, the universe. Unit 4, structure and function of living organism. Let's begin first with Unit 1 and Lesson 1, type of levers. Long time ago, man invented many simple machines. Why? To help him and save a lot of time and effort. تمام? To help him and save a lot of time and effort. And these simple machines called levers. So what is levers? And who invented the levers? The first one that invented the levers was Archimedes. For example, if you want to move a large rock, you have two ways. The first way, using your hands, and the second way, using a tool. This tool, crowbar. Compare between the two ways, you will find that the second way saves a lot of time and effort. Okay. So, let's state the definition of levers. Levers, it's a rigid bar, straight or curved, that rotates around a fixed point called fulcrum and is affected by effort force and resistance force. Again, rigid bar, straight or curved, that rotates around a fixed point called fulcrum and is affected by effort force and resistance force. So what is the structure of levers? Levers consists of 3 Number 1, resistance force. 2, effort force. 3, fulcrum. And resistance force represented by the symbol R, effort force represented by symbol F, and fulcrum represented by O. For resistance force, it is the force that resulted from the weight of the body that we want to move. Okay? From the body that we want to move. But effort force, it is the force exerted by a person to equilibrate the resistance from the man, from us. Okay? And fulcrum, it's a fixed point where the bar rotates around. Examples of levers, we have seesaw, bottle opener, ice or sweet holder, crowbar, nutcracker, wheelbarrow, scissors, stapler. So what is the importance of levers, grade 6? Number 1, increasing force. Increasing force like what? Like crowbar and nutcracker. Number 2, increasing distance. Some levers allow exerting force for a small distance to move an object for a longer distance. Like what? Like manual broom. Number 3, increasing speed. Like hockey bat. Number 4, moving force from one place to another. Like manual broom. Number 5, accuracy in performance. Some levers are used to pick up very small objects like tweezers. And number 6, avoid dangers like coal holder. these are examples of levers. What are the types of levers? Levers have three types. Type number 1, first class lever. Type number 2, second class lever. 3, third class lever. يبقى عندنا 3 أنواع من الليفرز. first class, second class, third class. Okay? In first class lever, we have the fulcrum between effort to force and resistance. Okay, so it's a type of levers that have the fulcrum located between the effort to force and resistance. Like what? What are the examples of first class levers? Oh, scissors, yes, and crowbar, seesaw, water pump, nail clippers, and these are examples of first class levers. So when I ask you about why water pump is the first class lever, because it has the fulcrum located between the effort to force and resistance. يبقى أي سؤال بنتسأله على الفيرست كلاس ليفرز الإجابة بتبقى من definition. 2 second class levers. They are levers that have resistance located between fulcrum and effort to force. And examples of second class levers: wheelbarrow, stapler, nutcracker, and bottle opener. And any question about why bottle opener is the second class lever? Because it has a resistance located between fulcrum and effort force. Third class lever, it's a type of lever that has the effort force between the resistance force and fulcrum. Like what? Like sweet holder, ice holder, hockey bat, tweezers, manual broom. And any question about why tweezers is a type of third class lever? Because it has effort to force between resistance force and fulcrum. You can make a comparison between first, second, third class lever according to the definition and examples. Please study hard grade 6. Ask if you need help. Thank you for listening.